Pattaya, Thailand, a city that pulses with energy and excitement no matter the hour. The city's energy is infectious. The streets are always bustling with life, filled with locals and tourists alike. Even during the day you can feel the excitement bubbling. The markets are alive with vendors selling their wares, and the beaches are filled with sun-seekers. But as the sun sets, Pattaya transforms. The cityscape glows with 1,000 lights, and the nightlife begins to stir. It becomes a kaleidoscope of lights, sounds, and experiences. Neon signs flicker to life, and the streets are filled with the hum of activity. This is a city that truly never sleeps. The iconic walking street is a testament to that, with its constant movement and vibrant atmosphere. From dusk till dawn, the streets are alive. People from all walks of life come together to enjoy the nightlife. Music spills out from every bar and club. The rhythm of the night is infectious, drawing you in. The aroma of street food fills the air. It's intoxicating. From spicy noodles to sweet desserts, there's something for every palate. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or just a good time, Pattaya has something for you. The city offers a diverse range of activities to suit every taste. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the heart of Pattaya's legendary nightlife. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. Let's talk about Walking Street, one of the most famous and lively streets in Pattaya. The name says it all. It's a street where walking is the only way to get around. This street is for pedestrians only, making it a unique experience in a city often dominated by traffic. And it's where the party's at. The atmosphere is electric, with energy that can be felt in the air. Imagine a street closed off to traffic, allowing you to wander freely without worrying about vehicles. Then add pulsating music, flashing neon signs, and an endless stream of people from all walks of life. That's Walking Street. Street vendors hawk souvenirs and snacks, offering a taste of local culture and cuisine. Go-go bars pump out dance music, drawing in crowds with their vibrant performances. Live bands play rock, pop, and traditional Thai music, adding to the diverse soundscape of the street. It can be overwhelming, but in the best way possible. The sensory overload is part of the charm. You'll encounter people from every corner of the globe here. Locals and tourists mingle, creating a melting pot of cultures. Everyone's here for the same reason, to have a good time. The shared joy is palpable. Walking Street is an assault on the senses, with its bright lights, loud music, and bustling crowds. But it's also an unforgettable experience, one that will leave a lasting impression on anyone who visits. Pattaya is known for its nightlife. The city comes alive when the sun sets, transforming into a vibrant playground for night owls. And what better way to experience it than with a girls' night out? It's the perfect opportunity to bond, let loose, and make unforgettable memories. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. From the moment you step out, the excitement is palpable. The anticipation of the night ahead fills the air. We're talking about a diverse group of women, each one bringing her own unique energy and vibe to the night. Different backgrounds, different stories, all ready to let loose and have some fun. It's a beautiful blend of cultures and personalities. Picture this. You're strolling down Walking Street, the music is pumping, the energy is electric. Neon lights flash around you, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. And you and your girls are the center of attention. Confidence radiates from your group, drawing eyes and admiration from everyone around. Heads turn, smiles are exchanged, and laughter fills the air. It's a night where everything feels just right. Maybe you grab some street food, pad thai, mango sticky rice, barbecued seafood. The choices are endless. Each bite is a new experience. The flavors are bold and unforgettable, adding to the richness of the night. Then, hit up a rooftop bar for cocktails with a view. The night is yours. The cityscape below adds a touch of magic to your evening. Dance, laugh, and create memories that will last a lifetime. These are the moments you'll cherish forever, the stories you'll tell for years to come. Pattaya is more than just a party destination. It's a melting pot of cultures. It's a place where you can be yourself. And it's a city that pulsates with an energy unlike anywhere else. From the moment you arrive, you'll be swept up in the excitement. Pattaya is a feast for the senses. And the best way to experience it is to dive right in. So, what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your dancing shoes, and get ready for the time of your life. Pattaya awaits.